Hi, it's El Macho. Today I'll be showing you how to make some quick, no-bake oatmeal cookies. Let's start. You will need white sugar, cocoa powder, cooking oats, milk, vanilla, butter, and a pot. The first thing you're going to want to do is take your butter and put it in the pot. We need 1 stick of butter, by the way. Careful not to touch it too, really. Okay. And that's your butter. The second step is 2 cups of sugar, and this is a half cup measurement, so I'll take 4 of these. It's 1 cup. And here's our final part. And then you put it on the stove till it boils. So now that it's boiled, we will take it out of the heat. And next, you get 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And next we get 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Just pour that right in there. Looking good. Now we take 3 cups of quick oats. This is 1 cup here, so just get 3 of these. Just shoot. That's 1 cup. 2 cups. And 3 cups. And now we mix. Handle's actually quite warm still. Looks like I'm just mixing grain until you see the chocolate. It looks awesome. And now we scoop them onto our cookie sheet. Good. Good. And now And now we put them in the fridge to set. And now that we've let it set, let's eat it. This will be interesting with the mask. It's already interesting and I haven't even put it in my mouth. Or attempted to anyways. They're very good. These would be very good for like a last minute snack for like a holiday or something, you know? Christmas is coming up, you can make these. Oh. You can really taste the chocolate. This is amazing. It's really good. Thank you for watching this cooking vlog. As always, I'll put the recipe in the description below so you can try it yourself, and I'll see you next time. More.